Gold against US dollar. This week started strongly with the bullish candle, returning back about 33,272. This is a bullish breakout. Then the price continued to rise in value, going above this area of resistance and reached the next resistance level, which was 3430. From there, on Wednesday, the price bouncing back down, making a strong bearish candle. Then on a Tuesday, forming another strong bearish candle, which was also a bearish breakout, suggesting further decline in value. And we can see the price has reached this area of support. The price from here has bounced and retraced back up, targeting again the next resistance level here, 3353. So the price could not manage to make a bullish breakout of this area of resistance. The support level here at 3272.61 was a strong one, and we can see in the past it was also a strong one. That is preventing the price from falling further down. Weekly time frame shows me that it is a bullish candle, but with a strong wick on the upper side. This just says that we have a strong bullish momentum that has pushed the price, but a very strong bearish momentum waiting here. Monthly time frame shows me that we are currently still in the bullish momentum, and it is a still bullish candle, but the month just started, so we cannot make any conclusions. Also, there is no levels up there that could also pose a strong resistance level, at least what we can see currently, because the price is forming all-time high price levels. To the weekly time frame, if we go down, we will see that very potent resistance level will be here around 3334. That the price needs to make a bullish breakout above to allow easily the price to reach again 3430. Daily time frame shows me the same scenario, which is 3353 as a resistance level that needs to be broken for the price in order to allow it to reach higher price levels. Currently the price is in between this resistance and the support level, which means the price needs to reach this area of resistance or the support and form a breakout to see where the price will go. So for now, I'm waiting outside of the market to see where the price will go next week. But if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see that the price has managed to go above this area of confluence, which means a bullish scenario, which means the price will try to move to a higher price levels. But on the 4-hour time frame, we can see it is messy because the price was going up and down, going up and then again down. So there is no clear information where the price could go, because this area of support 3272 and this one 3353 is holding the price to go easily up or down. If the price goes easily up, we can see the next resistance level, it is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. So for now, for the gold, we need to go step by step, day by day. And feel free to join the premium analysis to receive the breakout updates for the bulls and the bears, to receive what is the target after the price reaches the target. So for now, the link will be below in the description, and if you would like to join, feel free to join. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.